Hello, Koha world.
Lightwave Library is proud to announce the latest free Koha reporting plugin for use for your Koha report modules. Now you can create robust PDF reports. Let's get started. Before we get into the configuration segments, I will demonstrate how easy it is to generate two sample PDF reports, a complex and a simple report. In this example, we will demonstrate a complex monthly circulation report. Now let's see a simple report that prints overdue notices grouped by homeroom teacher and students associated with that homeroom teacher. I hope that has you excited about the possibilities of the free Koha plugin. Now you will need two things to get started. You can Google search Lightwave Library CraftMyPDF and download the plugin from the github.com repository, or just grab the URL shown here. Second, you will need to visit craftmypdf.com and create a free account. Now let's jump into the craftmypdf.com website and talk about the dashboard. Once your account is created, you can sign in to your CraftMyPDF dashboard as shown here. The Koha plugin will use the CraftMyPDF API routines when reports are generated, and the activity will be shown here. Your subscription status and number of templates, based on your chosen plan, will be shown here. Now let's click on Manage Templates. Here you can edit your existing plan templates or create new PDF templates. Notice that a unique template ID will be created for any report template you create. Now let's take a look at the next tab, the API integration.
Your account will have a unique API key assigned.
You will click the Copy to Clipboard button when you are ready to paste the API key value into the Koha plugin. We will do a deeper dive into the report template editing on the next video, so more on that later. Now let's configure the Koha plugin. Find the row for CraftMyPDF integration and click on the Action button on the far right and click on the Configure option. Once you create your free account on craftmypdf.com, you can acquire the API key through the dashboard on their website. They provide a convenient Copy to Clipboard button where you can paste the value in the top value show here under CraftMyPDF API key. You will now be able to add a report row and specify what Koha report ID you wish to generate a PDF report against. Click the Fetch CraftMyPDF Templates button to populate the drop-down list. You will be able to select the report template to bind to this Koha report ID. If you have not created any reports yet, it's okay to skip this step. The next option is a checkbox for complex JSON. This is to let the API system know that you are sending a complex JSON object that could contain a JSON array within a JSON array. If you are doing a simple report output where the results look readable, like an Excel spreadsheet, then leave this option unchecked. More on this topic later. The Activate PDF Editor button will launch the CraftMyPDF editor within the Koha interface. If you are new at report crafting, we recommend using the full screen editor from the craftmypdf.com website directly instead of using this iframe version of the editor. Now let's edit the second simple report ID number 24. As you can see, there is nothing special here we have to do when it comes to preparing a report, as everyone is accustomed to this segment in Koha reports. We are now editing report ID number 24 as denoted here. The report ID is also shown in the URL that is currently blurred out in the screenshot. Now let's open another tab to craftmypdf.com. Click on Manage Templates. In this example, we are going to click the Edit button on an existing report, the Overdues Notices, that you saw run at the start of this video. Welcome to the official CraftMyPDF editor. This is where all the magic happens. This particular client requested that they wanted overdue notice slips to be printed for select homeroom teacher students. One sheet per student. If a student has more than one item overdue, the report groups the items for that student on one page. Let's go over the interface. You are in the Designer tab. You have 4 main tabs. Designer, this is the main opening screen. Preview allows you to see what your report will look like on screen. Data allows you to visualize your data in JSON format. This data will help display dummy data in your Preview tab. The Settings tab is something you can explore later and is not the scope of this overview. Now let's take a moment to talk about the canvas you see. Typical reports consist of a header row, body row, and a footer row. The data fields on the far left can be dragged and dropped onto the canvas. Now you are probably wondering, how do you get those data fields to appear? We manage that via the Data tab. In this report, I created a JSON structure that has dummy data. Be mindful of the field names. They should match the output of the Koha report. This is how the fields will populate your PDF report. For comparison, I took the liberty of showing you the JSON and Koha SQL structure side by side. When you are designing reports, try to keep in mind that you can recycle report templates. So if you are running a consortium or multi-tenant Koha deployment, try to design the report to pass in variables like branch name instead of hard-coding branch names. Now let's click on the Preview tab and see what we have. Now you have a very good idea what your report will render in the Preview tab. You can also generate a downloadable PDF from this screen. Take some time to read the CraftMyPDF online manual. If you get stuck, ask the online chat support for help. They are eager to help you. Experiment with the many available existing templates, like the Avery 5160 barcode labels. The possibilities are endless. Be sure to visit the GitHub site where you downloaded the Koha plugin for advanced complex queries. If you are a seasoned report writer and have previous report writing experience with SQL or Crystal reports, this may be right up your alley. I hope you enjoyed this quick overview. Visit us online at lightwivelibrary.com.